Hello guys, welcome back again in today's video. I would like to show to you how to add a 3D effect of pop-ups image. And first, you need to add a picture. For example, I would like to use this picture. And then after that, you need to add a shape. And I think I will use these shapes. And after that, try to cover the shape into all of the image like this, and then duplicate it. The point is to cover all of the image with this shape like this. Then duplicate it one more time. Like this. And one more time. Okay. After you finish covering all of the image with a shape, then you need to save this design. Like this. Then click download. And after that, open a new page and add the design that you already saved before. This design and add to the page and adjust the size of the design like this. Okay. And after that, you need to add the same photo as the previous design that we already saved. And now you need to click the Magic Studio tools here and click BG remover to remove the background from the picture. After that, try to adjust the position of the picture as same as the background position like this. But the point is just adjust the position of the image until it's look as same as the background. Okay, after you finish, now you can see the result and it will be look like this. And if you not satisfied with the result, you can try to adjust the frame like this and make the image much more look like it comes out from the frames. And that's the way how you to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.